When I first opened it, I was like, what is this? It just was lightweight and small. I did get a mosquito bite. I tried it. Usually I get a bite, it swells up really big and it itches for like a whole day, sometimes the next day even. And with this, I felt like within the next hour or so, it wasn't itching anymore, the swelling went down, and then the next day it was like it was gone. So that to me was awesome. It depends on where you get the bite on your body, of where you can put this suction tool on, easily at least. Normal bug sprays can have some harsh chemicals in them, and so I liked a green alternative for mosquito bite treatment.